These might be the cleanest taillights available for the 4th Gen Tacoma. Today we're installing the new form lighting taillights and seeing if they're worth the upgrade. These taillights are going to be plug and play. They feature sequential turn signals, a startup animation, and have that OEM Plus style look. So let's go ahead and get into the install. All right, so we're at the back of our Tacoma. We have our new taillights here from Form, and as you can see, our factory ones are all red, and we went with the smoked option. They do also have these in red if you like the red look, but we're going with something a little bit darker. And as you can see, these are fairly close to the OEM styling, just a little bit more modern, some other things going on. And like we mentioned, these have the startup sequence and also some sequential turn signals, which is easily disabled by unplugging some stuff here on the back of the taillight. But other than that, these are a super easy install. If you've never done taillights before, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can do on any of your Toyotas. We have two 10mm bolts. We're gonna pop the taillight out, unplug it, put the new one right in place. So let's go ahead, show you how to do that, and then we'll take a look at how these are. So we got a 1/4" ratchet, we got a 10mm socket, there's a 10mm bolt at the top and at the bottom of your taillight. Just go ahead and remove both of those. So once you have those two bolts removed, there is a clip here and here on the inside of the taillight that you have to pop out this way. So we'll start at the bottom, pull that out, work up here, pull that out. Now we have the taillight here, and we can go ahead and unplug it like so, and then we also have to get this clip off. We got the factory taillight removed. As you can see, that was super easy, and then getting the new one in from Form is going to be just as easy. So we're going to take the factory plug, we're going to plug that into the harness here on the back of the Form taillight. There is a spot right here where you can also clip in that clip for the wiring harness. Now we're just going to go ahead and get this lined up. We're going to push these two tabs in like so, and now we can reinstall our two 10mm bolts. You don't want to get too crazy on tightening these, but make sure they're nice and snug. And just like that, we have the brand new Form taillight installed here on the Tacoma. I definitely like the look of these, much more than the factory ones. The smoked lens looks good on the white and all of the other black accents. But now we just need to go over to the driver's side. We're going to do the same exact thing, and then we can get this thing in some lower light and see how these taillights look. When installing the taillights, if you leave the two small wires plugged in as they come, you will have a standard turn signal and no welcome sequence. If you unplug the brown wire, the sequential turn signal will work, and if you unplug the purple wire, the welcome sequence will work. All right, guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the brand new taillights from Form for the brand new Tacoma. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think of these taillights, if you would get these, and if you would you go with the smoked lens or the red lens? If you like these and you wanna grab a set, make sure to head over to our website, Xpedition.com. The link is down in the description. If you have any questions about the product or the install, drop that down below as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.